This is Tom Albright with AVNation at Infocomm 2018 with Mark Corbin from Vanco. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Good show for you so far?
Excellent show. Excellent show.
First show as president?
That is correct.
Good for you.
That's correct. Yeah, we've had a great turnout. Good crowd.
Yeah.
Good location. Yeah, it's been great.
Good for you. So let's talk about, and the one thing about Vanco, if you're not familiar with Vanco, you guys have several, what I'm going to call disparate products, but they all kind of work together in single situations. I talked to one of your folks at CEDIA about your video over IP solution. It's actually ready now.
It is.
So talk about what you guys are doing with that.
Sure, absolutely. At the booth, we're displaying it's called Evo IP.
Yep.
And we have it fully operational. It's going to be shipping into August. And currently it allows you to do video walls, matrices, on signage display. It allows you to access events, scheduling. You can basically create a whole profile for a customer without ever rolling a truck. You can service that from a remote location. And the great part too is it's 4K and HDR. And right now we're currently really the only guys that are involving HDR as well within our entire process.
Explain to folks, if they haven't gotten into making sure that their systems are HDR compliant, why is that important?
Sure. So HDR is really important because everything you see lately is involving HDR. And the problem is there's 4K at 60 hertz and then there's 4K at 30 hertz. Well, when you deal with 60 hertz, you start dealing with HDR. And if you're passing that through an entire system, and it's not capable, a lot of times it can shut down the entire system.
Yeah.
So our process is great because it can handle HDR, but it also has an auto scaling. So it allows the HDR in, but it also can auto delete it from other screens, so it won't screw up your entire system.
Okay.
Really unique.
You're also showing a product that you guys picked up about a year ago, and I'm still a big fan of Beale Street, but you picked up Beale Street Audio, you're showing their speakers.
Yes, sir.
Talk about them for a second.
Yeah, I mean, Beale Street's been a great addition for us. It's a very unique, if you don't know what it is, it's a sonic vortex.
Yep.
We literally took a port and we wrapped it with an enclosed speaker, so it gives you 100% of the audio right out into the floor or into your room. It doesn't bleed into other rooms. It's just a great quality sound because we're adding literally more bass. We're pushing more air out the front. We're pushing more dispersion. So, really unique speaker. It has it's a great story too. I mean, it's very unique and it's patented, so no one can copy it. You know, it's very unique for our industry. And now we're doing 70 volt, which has been a great for this show because obviously more commercial.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the 70 volt stuff has been excellent.
All right, what else are you showing in the booth?
So I got a brand new product, and it's called Spot for Dot, and it's pretty amazing. We are finally launching this, so Spot for Dot it's called, and it's literally you take an Echo Dot, you can put it directly into this wall plate. Well, what's unique though is on the back of the wall plate we have a 2x25 watt amp.
Yep.
That amplifier will go up to any speakers within your house. Well, the beauty is you no longer need whole house amplification.
Okay.
From there you can access your audio directly from the Dot. But for me, at my home, I have it connected to my lighting. I have it connected to my alarm, to my TVs, to my locks, to my temperature, everything. So now, not only am I getting an audio source, I'm now getting a whole control. And in each room, you can put one. As if you've worked with Alexa before, you can group them all together. You can create zones. The beauty is I'm not having to run everything back to a home location. And I obviously get all the controls of whatever Alexa's set up on. So it's a really unique product, also patented. If you get a chance, please, you got to see it. It's really cool.
And it's shipping now?
That will be shipping in August as well.
All right, very good. If somebody wants to find out more about Vanco or any of the products, how do they do that?
Absolutely. You can go to Vanco1, the number 1.com, or visit us on Facebook at Vanco International and Twitter.
All right, very good. Mark Corbin from Vanco. My name is Tim Albright. For more information about us or more videos from Infocomm 2018, go to the website avnation.tv, avnation.tv.